Hello there. I am here in my cute little garden and I got tomatoes and I wanted to show you tomato cages that are perfect for tomato bushes that are starting to get fuller and the branches might fall over because they're heavy, and considering when tomatoes will start growing they're heavy and branches might even break, so the cage will support the bush. It's easy to put it together. Let me show you. Let's get to it. Okay, I decided to hide in the shade because it's toasty hot. And the connectors. Now this thing will allow you to pick whatever the size you want. So whether you want it more narrow or wider. And you can attach this piece at whatever height you like. It's totally adjustable. You can make a triangle cage. You can make it as tall or short as you would like. You have these connectors to make it taller. You can make it a square. So this is our cage. I did a double of these connectors. Don't remember the name of this piece, but the one that connects the post. Let's put it that way. So we have two sections and it's more stable and it's super easy to just take it over your, I know my tomatoes are kind of overcrowded. I'm gonna do something about it, but basically take your cage, put it over your tomato bush and let it grow kind of inside of this cage, and it's gonna have lots of support versus not having any of that. And as you notice, some of these ends, the sharper, and it would be easier to push with this end into the soil. It will go a lot smoother. I have two sections, so this, the bottom piece has the sharper or kind of cone looking end, and the bottom, this side didn't matter, so I kind of have them random. But yeah, that's the tomato cages. Super easy to assemble, and they're very supportive for your tomatoes. And when the season is over, you can disassemble, put it away, and you can reuse it next year. So I very much recommend. And like I said, you can do a triangle, a square, or whatever shape you prefer.